Today, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit cards on Freshbooks. This is essential if you want to offer your clients a convenient way to pay their invoices online, making your payment process faster and more professional. First, you'll need to go to the Freshbooks website and log into your Freshbooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see an overview of your business activity. From here, locate the Payments menu on the left navigation panel and click on it. This section is where you'll manage all your payment settings and transaction history. After clicking on Payments, you'll be able to view all the invoices and payment transactions you have under your Freshbooks account. This gives you a complete picture of your incoming payments and helps you track which invoices are still outstanding. Now, to add credit card payment capabilities, locate the More Actions button on the top right part of your screen and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear with several options for managing your payment settings. From this drop-down, click on Accept Online Payments. This is the gateway to setting up different payment methods for your business. Once you select that option, you'll be taken to a new page where you can explore the different payment options available through Freshbooks. From here, locate the Freshbooks Payments section and take a moment to read through all the details for this payment option. You'll see information about transaction fees, processing times, and the available payment types, which typically include credit cards, debit cards, and sometimes even bank transfers. Understanding these details is important so you know what to expect when clients start paying you through this method. Once you've reviewed everything and feel ready to move forward, simply click on the Get Started with Online Payments button. This will initiate the setup process. All you have to do now is link your payment credentials to Freshbooks. This usually involves connecting your bank account or payment processor so that funds can be deposited directly into your account. Freshbooks will guide you through this process step by step, making sure everything is set up securely. Once your credentials are linked and verified, Freshbooks will now start accepting credit cards as listed, and your clients will be able to pay their invoices online with just a few clicks. And that's it, you've successfully enabled credit card payments on Freshbooks, making it easier for your clients to pay you and improving your cash flow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.